Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO V40 and let me show you how to clean up some space without deleting apps on this device. So let's start with opening settings, then go to apps and here enroll all apps that you have. The more apps you have, the more work you need to perform, but basically all you have to do is to go through each app, just go app by app, then open storage and cache and clear cache in each app. That will remove some space. So just like that, go through all of your apps, then go back and let's open your files. So just locate files, type item here, and now go to downloads and remove all downloaded apps that you do not use anymore. So just tap on more, select all or particular photos, files, however you prefer, tap on bin icon and confirm that you want to remove them to bin, and later on also remove them from recently deleted, so they are no longer stored. Okay, so let me go back, and now if you go back, you can also open your iManager. Here it is, and just clean up some space. Tap on agree at first, obviously, and go to space cleanup. Tap on agree again. Now give your device a few seconds to scan your device. And mark cleanup all. As you can see, it has been done. So then just go back. You can also perform a security scan. It will also make your device work faster, but that's just the additional stuff that you can do. And that's it. So basically that's it. This is how you can free up some space on your device without deleting your apps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.